Welcome to the latest edition of Vaccine Research Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks, brought to you by Lucid Quest. Elicio Therapeutics announced new results from its Phase 2 Amplify-7P trial for the pancreatic cancer vaccine ELI-0027P. This investigational vaccine targets 7 KRAS mutations. Data show that 89 of 90 evaluable patients, about 99%, mounted KRAS-specific T-cell responses. These results are consistent with earlier Phase 1 findings. A disease-free survival readout is expected in the fourth quarter of 2025. These data may influence prescriber choice and payer reviews once full results are available. Anixa Biosciences reported that the final Phase 1 trial results of its breast cancer vaccine will be presented at the San Antonio Breast Cancer Symposium on December 11, 2025. The alpha-lactalbumin vaccine, tested at the Cleveland Clinic with funding from the U.S. Department of Defense, was assessed for safety and immunogenicity. FDA discussions are expected following the presentation. Pending additional results, this program may also influence prescriber and payer decision-making. IO Biotech announced it will present Phase 3 data of its IO-102 and IO-103 vaccine candidates in combination with pembrolizumab for first-line advanced melanoma at the European Society for Medical Oncology Congress 2025. The oral presentation will highlight efficacy outcomes, including progression-free survival, overall survival, and biomarker data. Results from a Phase 2 basket trial in non-small cell lung cancer and head and neck cancer will also be presented. These findings may affect treatment strategies and payer assessments. The European Medicines Agency has issued a positive opinion for the updated protein-based COVID-19 booster LP8.1, marketed as Bimavax by HIPRA. Immunobridging studies showed higher antibody levels against Omicron and other variants, with mild to moderate adverse events commonly reported. Eligibility for this booster has been expanded from individuals 16 years and older to those 12 years and above. This decision introduces new competition in the vaccine market and may influence pricing and formulary access. Virometix announced that it has fully enrolled its Phase 1 trial of the synthetic pneumococcal vaccine candidate V212. Conducted in collaboration with the Centre for Vaccinology at Ghent University, the study enrolled 60 subjects. Top-line safety and immunogenicity data are expected in the first quarter of 2026. These results could shape future prescriber and payer evaluations. Evaxion Biotech is preparing to present 2-year data from its Phase 2 trial of EVX-01, an AI-driven patient-specific cancer vaccine, at ESMO 2025. All patients have completed treatment, and efficacy data including durability and progression-free survival will be shared. A trial extension to 3 years is ongoing. These findings may provide insights into long-term benefits and payer evaluations. The Naval Medical Research Center has launched the first-in-human trial of a Staphylococcus aureus vaccine. This double-blind, placebo-controlled Phase 1 trial enrolled 129 participants with 2 doses given 1 month apart and a 7-month safety follow-up period. The goal is to reduce staph infections in service members. The trial's design and confounding controls will determine interpretation of outcomes and potential clinical impact. The U.S. National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases has awarded up to $40 million in funding to Apelli Therapeutics and Vitalex Biosciences to advance development of VX501, a fungal vaccine targeting invasive candida infections. This dual antigen design aims for broad protection, and a Phase 1 study is planned following an investigational new drug submission. With no fungal vaccines currently approved, this investment signals important expansion of the infectious disease vaccine pipeline. Stay ahead in vaccine research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting.